Okay, so here we come in a service apartment, our first apartment that we have booked on, after coming out of the quarantine. So this is the entrance of our service apartment where I am standing. So we'll go through this. So as soon as you enter, on the right side you have bathroom door, and on the left side there is this big cupboard which is laundry. So if I just open it, I'll see that the cycle is still going on. This is the laundry area. This is washing machine, and the dryer is still working. Okay. And when we go to the bathroom, we see that is a wash basin. Here is a small cupboard for keeping the washroom stuff, paper towels, etc. And they have given us good stock of shampoos, body soap, hand wash, etc, etc. And Shubhi is disappointed because there is no bathtub here, and a hanger for towel and a mirror. Okay, so once we move out of the bathroom, so I've seen in Australia their layout is that as soon as you enter the home you have bathroom and the kitchen. I don't understand what is the logic, but we have a small kitchen over here, and we are so happy and glad that we will be able to have our Indian food. So here is a mini microwave and some griller, sandwich maker, a toaster, hot water kettle, and there's a nice round sink which I've seen for the first time, the round thing, and dustbin. They have given us detailed instructions where do we need to put our garbage, and I'm so glad that this gas has these things on which I can keep my Indian utensils. So they have given us some basic utensils, pans, pots, and cutleries, and fancy spatulas, masher, foil. Oh wow, they have and a coffee beater too. Great. And these are some other basic stuff, tape and everything. Nice, quite thoughtful. And this is quite interesting thing. So this is a chopper come knife holder. Okay, so there are various kinds of knives they have given over here, but I'm not going to use it. They might have used it for their non-veg, so I'll be using my own knives which I've got with me. And they've given some basic wine glasses, etc., and an empty cupboard and a tea pot. Here's a fridge which is empty but on. So yeah, and there is this another cupboard that they have given which is empty and which we can keep our stuff in. So if we go to the another side, they have a nice 6-seater dining table which they have given. I've just kept my purse on it, and we have stuffed our luggage here. Okay, and now as you go forward, there is this nice living area with sofas, and here is the work table which Shubhi is already occupied. And I love this cute jar. I'm in love with this.
And look at this drawer. It is so, you can't even see where it is kept.
Okay.
And this is you can keep your keyboard in.
So I'm sure Shubhi is gonna occupy and fill her things here. And they have just spread a rug over here. So here is a quick view of the living area, and they have a small Q2 TV here. Okay, and a small center table, and it takes us to the balcony space which all of us were missing. We're gonna sit here and have a sip of our coffee and look at the road. We are on 6th floor, and the view here is awesome. We are in the hot area of Sydney. This is Darlinghurst, the most expensive area in Sydney if you have to buy properties or rent properties. And we have a separate bedroom. Yay! So that is an interesting thing. We are going to occupy this, and Shubi is going to sleep outside. She has promised. And we have a nice wardrobe here with shelves and
Yes.
iron board and drawers,
this
which
drawer,
we have
we have
towels.
towels and I think pillow covers. And
Yeah.
then here we have
Shubi's
the same thing.
excited to show that.
And here are bed sheets, I guess.
Yeah, so we are happy. Yay! Nice. We have a balcony door from this bedroom too.
It's the same balcony though.
Okay.